Welcome to Akahi Tutors channel. I am one of the online representatives from Akahi Tutors. My name is Joseph Yaji. I am here to ultimately give you some useful tips on how to complete your online registration for School of Nursing program. Okay, so let's dive into the business very quickly. Now, if you are on this page, of course, you see my number now. Whenever you are confronted with any of the step that you could not handle yourself, you can quickly give me a call, okay, or add me on WhatsApp, okay. Thank you. Now, the information concerning OAU School of Nursing is uploaded on Akahi News. Here, you can see it here, okay, for 2020-2021. If you are on this page, you have this akahinews.org/OAUTHC, okay, OAUTHC, okay. If you are on that page, you can scroll down, okay. You scroll down to where you have something like, okay, yeah, we provide a link here. You can see where I'm moving if you check on your screen, you see the console there, okay. Now you have this. If you click on this page, it will take you to the OAU Teaching Hospital official website, okay. And on this page, it might confuse you a bit on how to proceed with the registration. If you click here, it will take you to their AVAT, the School of Nursing AVAT. If you click here, it's just to reprint the nursing examination slip, okay. On this page, it may confuse you, so I will advise you to scroll down again and click on apply for fresh applicant. If you click on this page, it will take you to this page, okay. On this page, you will see the different programs and the cost, the fee for the different programs that is being offered currently at the School of Nursing OAU, okay. Now on this page, all you need to do is to move your mouse where you have an applicant reg, okay, very close to the home. You move the mouse there, it will bring a drop down key. You click on create users account if you have not registered. If you have registered, you click on login. If you click on create users account, it will take you to this page where you are expected to input the details here, okay, your surname, first name, school code. On this page, you choose the program you are putting it for, put correctly your email and the password you can remember. Now on this same page, if you want to reprint your examination slip, should you have registered, you can click here. It will take you to, I think, to this point, okay, to this page where you are going to reprint your postcard, your examination card, okay. Now if you fill this and you click on register, of course your account has been created. You follow the step on your screen to complete your registration, okay. Now another thing I would like to clarify is that most students usually get it wrong whenever they search on Google or they want to obtain the form. They will just go on Google to search, okay. There is difference between OAU School of Nursing official website and OAU official website, okay. The OAU Ife, if you see this address, oauife.au.ng, is the official website of the Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, okay. It's quite different from the School of Nursing program, okay. This is the School of Nursing, OAU School of Nursing website is OAUTHC.com, okay. You can see now, and it's quite different from the OAU CDL, where you have the OAU JUPEB, OAU Pre-Degree, OAU I think Agri program, okay, because one of their directors recently called our representative. Okay, yeah, you can see it on your screen now. See, Agricultural Extension and Community Engineering. Okay, should you want to apply for all this, where to go is oaucda.edu.ng. Okay, thank you for that. Now I think with this short tutorial or tips, you'll be able to complete your registration. However, if you still find it very difficult, you can always come back to Akahi Tutors. You add me on WhatsApp. This our official number on WhatsApp. You can add me, then we talk on how to assist you to complete the registration. All you need to do is to know how to send email. You attach your passport through email. It will help you to complete the registration. The cost for the OAU School of Nursing form, you can see it here, is 8,000 naira apart from bank charge for the basic general nursing. While for others it's 10,000 naira for the post basic nursing. Okay, like I told you, my name is Joseph Iyaji. I'm one of the online representative from Akahi Tutors. Akahi Tutors is at number 67, directly opposite Oduduwa College Field in Ile-Ife. Not Oduduwa University. Oduduwa College is around Sabo area. Okay, if you are going to OAU Teaching Hospital, you ask for Sabo Junction. Okay, if you are coming from Lagos, but if you are coming from Ile-Ife or Akure, you are going to pass through OAU Teaching Hospital, pass through Garage Ile-Ife and drop at Sabo Junction and ask for Oduduwa College. But if you are coming from Ibadan or Lagos, you are going to pass OAU Gate. Okay, that is OAU main gate. You are going to pass that, pass Mayfair, pass Lagere, then you come down to Sabo, you stop at Sabo Junction and you take bike, just 15 naira to Oduduwa College. Okay, the moment you get to Oduduwa College gate, you see Akahi Tutors banner, or you ask anybody around the gate to direct you to Akahi Tutors. I hope this tutorial, this short tips or tutorial helps you in order to complete your online registration. I remain Joseph Iyaji. Now listen to this great Ife song. Thank you. Oh, sorry for cutting you. Now, there is something very important. Should you are watching this video on YouTube, please hit on the subscription button. Any of the page where you see this video, please hit on the subscription button. I am on my knee begging you, of the greatest Nigerian student. I love you. Bye-bye.